Hello, everybody. 3 steps to convert your SVG polygon shape to CSS Clip Path within a minute. Step 1. Create your polygon shape using any softwares like Figma, Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, and etc. Here I am using Figma. Just right-click above the shape and click Copy as SVG, or Export SVG format. Step 2. Visit PlantCSS.com Clip Path Converter. Clear the default SVG shape. Now you can paste copied SVG raw code or upload exported SVG file. Step 3. After converted, you can choose output format, SVG tag method of either Standard CSS and Tailwind CSS, or CSS percentage method of either Standard CSS and Tailwind CSS. Finally, if you want demo file, click the download button. You will get this demo file. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.